Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the notifications on the Trello application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the notifications icon down below, which is the fourth option. Then here you are ready to select from three types of notifications, such as all, me, or comments. So you can restrict notifications, all of your notifications that are meant to notify you about something, or notifications about comments that others have made to you. You can alter these by tapping on the settings icon at the top of the screen. So here you are able to select what kind of things you would like to get notifications about. As you can see, you can select mentions, due soon, or cards, or you can also select whether you would like to get a notification when a card is added, or you are removed from a card, or someone has commented on a card, and so on. So all you need to do is tap on it if you would like to turn off the notification on that kind of function. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.